Good afternoon. This is Nancy. I'm at the Bishop Baraga Shrine, and I thought I'd show you the tracks behind the shrine as they head towards Lambert Road and the launch sub. The train would stop right here. I'm not sure when they stopped, but I think it was 1994. I saw the last picture. People would disembark here. They'd either go to this gift shop, have a meal. It was owned by different people then. The Ellicos owned it. They would have a meal, get some gifts, go over to see the bishop. We'll go there another day. But these are the tracks leading to Baraga. These are the ones that are not being used currently, but they are checked often. So we're going to head this way, away from the sun, and head towards Lambert Road and the launch sub. It's a very hot day. It was very cold this morning, and today it's very hot. Real UP weather. So other than tracks, there's not a lot to see here. There's the gift shop that is not what it once was. There's the statue. I take care of that, by the way. I found a lot of neat stuff here over time, but it's been a while. Ties on the side of the road there. That's the road down to US 41, and that is a terrible, dangerous way to come in or out. There's more ties. There's a parking lot up there, a double parking lot. Back in the late 60s, the Ellicos donated less than an acre of land to the Bishop Baraga Foundation, and they got together, got that statue going, built, hired somebody. Art Sheppy, who lives in Lake Linden, did most of the work. Jack Anderson, he did it in his shop, and Jack Anderson did some of it. But Art did most of the welding and whatnot. And they used Art as the model. If they were going to do an eye, they did an eye 6 times. I think it was 6 times Art's eye. There's a post there from telephone. These rails are good and tight, tough. Be no problem with the train coming through here. Well, the train did not tie down this afternoon, so that means they'll be coming in tomorrow morning. And I have a commitment at 11 here at the shrine, so I don't know if I'm going to catch it. Kind of bums me out. So I thought, oh, this needs a little work here, eh? Railroad ties all over on the sides. So anyhow, the Ellicotts donated that land, and they were going to build a chapel and do all kinds of things, a restaurant, the foundation, but the Ellicotts, Mr. Ellicott, got sick. His wife sold the gift shop after some years to a couple ladies. They had it for a few years, and then they decided it wasn't a good business for them, so for many years it was for sale. And then a person called Maria Volpe bought it. She was a nun at the time, but she isn't now. Let's see what that 77, the last two numbers are 77. That's got to be from the SOO line. You can hear US 41 next to us. Pretty loud. It's just right down there. You'll see a car go by. Well, I've got an overhead picture I'm going to put at the end of this of Certainteed, so it shows everything in there. Kind of cool. It shows where the cars go that I think aren't there. They're behind all the trees, almost to the lake. Okay, see, this is what I think. You can't tell what it says, but it's a shame for it to just lay there. I stood it up like that so it wouldn't get any rustier, but I guess it's rusty and that's it. So anyhow, we don't have lights at the shrine because the nun won't let, the ex-nun won't let Upgo on the property to put wires from her pole to our pole. So we have no electricity. The statue is not lit up like it used to be. Someday it will be. I plan on being finished there after next year, so that might be for the next person to take up. It's around 5 o'clock. It's a big open section. Boy, it's hot here. Whew. It's one of the old telegraph poles. We'll go down to the switch. Am I walking too fast? You did a good job on that, eh? SOO. if you can see that or not. Looking for a date here. Sometimes you see them really easy and other times not so easy. This is an old one though. I'm pretty lucky. I have a couple switches. I have one from Baraga. I have the one from Lance here, and I have one from Baraga. My wish is to get a caboose, put all my railroad stuff in it, have a little museum. Boy, these are tarred. Can you see that? Sticky stuff there. So anyhow, there's Lambert Road right down there. That's where I stand. Take video here sometimes. And actually right on the other side of Lambert Road is where the track starts or ends, however you want to call it. More ties. Might as well show you the sign, I guess, eh? What's that green for? Okay, so there you go. Bishop Baraga sign on Lambert Road. Here's what we just came from. Took us 12 minutes to do that. Strange it would take so long. I'm looking for, oh, here we go, right here. 1925. If I'm reading that correctly, it says 1925. Okay, this is Nancy and Lance, between Lance and Baraga on US 41. The old SOO Line tracks. Just showing you what it's like here. Thanks for watching.